How to check call history after deleted in iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check call history after deleted in iPhone. First of all, open up your settings. Once you're here, check if you have an iCloud backup available. So just tap on it right at the top of the screen. After that, tap on the iCloud option. Then tap on Manage Account Storage. Now here, you will find the Backups option. So check the available backups by tapping on it. And here, you can see your last backup. And the last backup includes all the deleted call history. So you can get back the deleted call histories by restoring your iPhone to the last backup. Once done, now go back to the General. Here, tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. After that, tap on Erase All Content and Settings. So this is how you can check call history after deleting an iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.